Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this Easy Hits for You training video. I am Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Easy Hits for You website so that you can drive targeted traffic to your website on autopilot. So this platform here is amazing because it's been around since 2003 and it's actually free and very easy to use. I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to use. And there's over 1.7 million members in the platform. Over 4.3 billion views have been delivered and over 300 views just yesterday. So this is an active platform, and how it works is very simple. You view other sites in exchange for views to your own site, and you actually get to leverage your network because as your referrals are going about viewing other sites, then you get 10% of the credits that they earn as well. And you can actually go ahead and email them, which is great, from within the platform. So let's go ahead and go into our back office here. This is the dashboard here, and don't get overwhelmed by it. But if we go to websites, this is where you can add your website. So you put the link where you want the visitors to go, you give it a title, and then you assign credits. If you don't have credits, don't worry, you can just save it. And then go to banners. You can do the same. You can come in here, you can add an HTML. If you have the banner on your computer or if you have a link to it, you can paste it there, and you can set up text ads as well. So once you set up the text ads, the next thing is you need to come in here and start surfing sites. So as a free member, there's a 2-to-1 ratio. What that means is that you have to surf 2 ads to get 1 view to your site. So when you click that, there's a counter that goes down here from left to right. And once the counter gets to the end, you have to prove you are a human by clicking one of these that are matching. There's always going to be 2 that are the same. So you click on one of those, and that's going to bring the next site on from left to right again. And for every time as a free member, you get half a credit. Okay. So the amount of ads that you served appears there. And here you can bookmark it if you want to come back and look at this ad later. Then you can see reviews from other members as well. You actually get credit for reviewing other sites, and if you're tired of surfing ads, you can actually buy credits or you can upgrade here. That way you can get credits that way. And when you're done, when you've accumulated your credits, you can go to my account here. And once you're in my account, you can see the credits that you've accumulated here. And what you can then do is you can go back to whatever ads that you've placed. For instance, you can go to a website and you can simply see you have 2 credits there. You can place the credits there and hit assign. And that means you're assigning credits to this website here. And then you end up getting those views. So this website, I'm going to get 6 views to that website. And then something else that you can do is if you want to upgrade, you just go to upgrade here. And these are the different benefits of upgrading. You get bonus credits, you get monthly credits, you get banner impressions every month, text impressions. So you can come in here and upgrade. And you can also come to buy credits. If you want to buy credits, you can come there and buy credits. You can buy impressions there as well that way. And you can come to messages here, go to new message, and you can message all your referrals as well. So that's a great way for you to leverage your network and to be in contact with them via email, and then they can message you here as well. Okay. And then what's the last thing that we have? We have an easy rotator, so you can rotate a few links. You get the splash page builder there as well. So there's different tools and resources that you can use as a business to run your business, drive targeted traffic to your website on autopilot. So you can click the link below to check this out. Paste the link there, click go, and set everything up and start to view other sites as a free member. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash the like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell